In this video, I'll show you how to make Gmail your default email client on Windows 10 or Windows 11, so whenever you click an email link, it opens straight in Gmail instead of another mail app. This is a quick setting change, and once you set it up, it can save you time every day when you click mail to links in your browser, downloads, documents, or websites. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Now let's jump right into it. First, go to the Windows search bar and type in default apps. When you see default apps appear in the search results, click it to open the settings page. This is where Windows lets you decide which apps open different file types and links. Once the default app settings window opens, look for the option that says choose default apps by protocol. Click on that. This section is important because it controls what app opens specific types of links and protocols, including email links. Now you'll see a long list of protocols. Scroll through the list until you find MAILTO. This is the protocol used whenever something tries to open an email link. For example, if you click a contact email address on a website, Windows uses MAILTO to decide what should open. Next to MAILTO, you'll probably see a current app already selected. Click on that app name. Then choose Google Chrome from the list. Selecting Google Chrome is what allows Gmail to open in your browser when you click an email link. If Chrome is already connected to your Google account and Gmail is set up correctly, this will route email links directly into Gmail. In some cases, you may need to make sure Gmail is allowed to handle mail links in Chrome. But for most users, simply changing the mail to protocol to Google Chrome is enough. After that, close the settings window and test it out. Click an email link anywhere on your computer, and it should now open in Gmail through your browser instead of launching a different email application. And that's it. You've now made Gmail your default email client on Windows 10 or Windows 11. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference if you use Gmail every day and want a smoother workflow across your device. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step Windows and Gmail tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.